Hello guys and welcome to DTW Tutorials. Welcome. So in this video I'm going to be talking about referring to those who scored low. You scored below 200, all right, and what you can do. Okay, that's what I'm emphasizing on. So please do share to encourage someone that scored below 200. If you know that friend that scored below 200, please share this video to them, with them. It's really going to help them. Okay, now first thing that you have to put in mind, you have to have is, you are not a failure because you had a low JAMB score. You are not a failure. It should not define you. It is not the end of life. Low JAMB score, it shouldn't be what defines you at all. There's still a whole lot more. Even right now where you are, there are things that you are succeeding in. Okay, so an academic setback, it's not a definition of you entirely. Okay, and which brings me to a book that would help you. Please get this book. It's really going to help you. Go to dtwedustore.com. Just come here to how to handle academic failure and come back stronger, come back, bounce back to success. Get that book. Okay, if you don't know how to get it or pay online, you can WhatsApp me. My WhatsApp details is here. Okay, so please go get that book. If you are maybe depressed or any feeling somehow about yourself, get it and read it. It's going to help you. All right, so you are not a failure. Now let's go on to the 4 things that you can do. Now the first thing is, you can choose a less competitive course. If you don't want to sit back at home and and write another JAMB, you can choose a less competitive course. And here I have done a if you go to DTW tutorials, go to dtwtutorials.com. If you come to academics, come to guides, you will see this particular post, or you can come to search and search for anything. Okay, just search for low JAMB score. This post will come up. So these are courses. I've made a list of courses that you in university. Last year the cutoff mark, cutoff mark for university that JAMB announced is 150. Okay, so you can enter into school with into university 150, while for polytechnics and colleges of education is from 120 above. Okay, so with these courses now, in some universities you can enter with this cutoff. Okay, so I want you to go through all these particular courses. Go through them. Okay, whichever one you feel that you would like, you can do. Okay, and that would also, you have to also check your subject combination that goes in line with your JAMB subject combination. You can pick it. I've seen people scored maybe 190, from 190 in Unilag and got admission in Unilag. So it will be some less competitive courses in all these courses in some departments. Education department, can you see it's education and social studies? It means you can teach in a secondary school, you can teach social studies there. Okay, or even if you don't want to teach, see, let me tell you something. You are the one that makes whatever you study valuable. It is not school that makes you valuable. It is you that adds value to yourself. Do you get my point? So you can be in school and even be doing professional exams. You can even pivot to something else, but you just want that BSc that says you went to university, you passed through the 4 walls of school. Okay, if now, if it's not, you want to be a medical doctor, you want to be this, you want to be that, you have an idea of what you want to do, but you just want to start school. Okay, and as you are in school, you are doing programs. You can I've seen students that from school they are doing programs, they're even working remotely, earning in dollars, learning skills, learning digital skills. All they just want is, okay, did you go to school? Provide your BSc. So go through all this. Can you see it? Elementary education, there's this human kinetic and health education in LASO 195, 190, 180. They are looking, all these departments, they are looking for students because students don't apply for them. And every year, a particular, I think last year, over 140,000 slots, admission slots, were not taken by students. Because all these departments had slots for students, but nobody. Are you with me? The students are not applying for it. So if you have a low score and you don't want to sit back at home, you want to get into school, go and search through all these courses, pick one, and then confirm from the school. You can search on DTW tutorials. Okay, we've been uploading cutoff marks. Okay, confirm, or you go to the website, or people in the school confirm from the department the cutoff mark. You meet it, you enter school. Are you seeing that? Okay, so that is what you do. All right, so choose a less competitive course in education, social science, and some science faculties. Now, the second thing is, if you don't want to, go, choose that less competitive course, then it means that you want to prepare for JAMB next year. So start preparing now. Don't wait till January and say you want to repeat the same mistake again. That's why you should get that ebook, How to Recover from Failure. You can't repeat the same mistake again. You know the mistake why you scored low. There's something that caused it why you scored that particular low score. Maybe you didn't start early on time, you didn't have the right syllabus. DTW is there. Is here for you. You didn't have the right syllabus, you didn't use the right textbook. You know that's what made you genuinely scored low. So start preparing from today. We start our online classes from November. All right, so from November this year, JAMB online classes starts. Okay, so that's for people preparing that want to prepare for next year JAMB. You want a particular specific course, engineering or whichever it is. Okay, and now the third thing you could do also is you can do JUPEB, IJMB, or foundation, and schools have started releasing all this. And this JUPEB is for you to get. You're going to do it for a stretch of a year, I think 9 months or 8 months, and it's, if you score very high, it qualifies you to even start in 200 level. Are you with me? If you're interested in this, I'm going to be sharing more information on a particular program for JUPEB, classes, lessons, even on campus. Okay, and it's done in Kwara State, close to Unilorin. All right, you'll be boarded, everything. You pay your fees, you stay, they teach you. You get my point, till you pass, and all the processes you need to get into school. It will be done by the particular institution. So if you're interested, join our WhatsApp channel. I'm going to be sharing all the details on our WhatsApp channel. The WhatsApp channel, if you see, there's a link in our profile bio. Click on that link and you get into our WhatsApp channel. Okay, so that's for that. And some schools foundation are already out, like Unilag is foundation is out. Which other school again? Even Unilag JUPEB, I think Unizik JUPEB also is out. So if it's all those schools, you can apply to them. If you want to apply to them directly, there are schools like that you can apply to. So that's the third thing to do. But make sure you are on the WhatsApp channel. I'll be sharing information on all those schools. When it starts coming out, I'll be giving you updates, even on post-UME of several schools. Make sure you're on the WhatsApp channel, okay? So you don't miss any information about your universities in Nigeria. Now, the fourth thing is, if you don't want to, maybe you've taken JAMB several times, you are tired, or you are the type that you are fending for yourself, you have to work and school at the same time. There are programs. There's now National Open University of Nigeria. There's ABU, distant learning, where you are in any particular state. Okay, if you want more information on ABU, let me know. There's also distant learning in Unilag. I think the form is also out too. And all these things, you don't need JAMB. You don't need your JAMB. It doesn't require JAMB result, just your WAEC. Can you see that? So these are the 4 things you can do. You have a low JAMB score. These are the 4 things you can do. Okay, so thank you. Please do share this video. If you're having any problem with your email, you can't access your JAMB portal, contact me. There's a solution. You need your WAEC certificate. Every of your educational, you want to upload your JAMB results. You want to print the JAMB results. When it is out, though, it's not yet out, though, please. And I would inform you when it is, the portal has been activated for that, but all those services we do. All right, thank you. Please do share this video, and don't forget that Jesus Christ is coming soon. Please do give your life to Christ, for he's the way, the truth, and the life. You are blessed and you are destined to win. Thank you. See you in our next video.